to fix MSI Dragon Center not working on Windows. 1. Waiting for SDK initialization. 2. Check for latest Windows updates. 3. Make sure all drivers are up to date. To do so, use the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Reinstall Dragon Center via Microsoft Store. 5. Check if your system is corrupted. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health.